Did you ever wondered how to get data from the web to Power BI? If yes, keep on watching and I'll show you how to do that in this video. Hi, my name is Odeta Baruskita and today I'll show you how to get Star Wars data from the website and use it in Power BI. So we can go to my desktop. And here you see the example of Star Wars report. So here I selected some of the titles and you can see some information about the films. In order to do this report, I will need few data sources and we can find them here. It will be the official Star Wars website and the Wikipedia page with a list of Star Wars films. So I will need only the URL. I will open the new file here and go to get data and choose web option. And I will just paste the link here and wait for the data to load. When the data is loaded, I can see that we have quite a lot of tables here. For example, if I press on the table, I can see what data it shows me. Okay, I can use this one because I will need the film name, release date, some director, screenwriter, and some other data. Okay, I can choose this one. Yeah, that one. I have to mention that I won't be using the Star Wars holiday specials or some other films which are not in this starwars.com under the films section. Yeah, so I will use only these 11 titles in my report. So coming back to the Power BI. Yeah, so no Ewok films. Yes, I will need some box office performance, critical and public responses, Academy, Grammy Awards. Yeah, so here, film, original, prequel, sequel. Okay. If I will need some other tables, for example, if I miss something, I just can come back and go to this table again and load it. So for me, I will choose transform data for now. And here you go. I have quite good tables here. They just need a little bit cleaning and I can use all of this to my report. Okay, and the next one, if we come back to this page, we can see that I have the images of the titles, and so I have to go to the starwars.com film section, copy this URL, and again going back to my Power BI, get data web option and load starwars.com/films. And now I will be using some other method for the to get data from this page. Okay, so here if I select only on this table, I will see the Star Wars movie titles. That's okay, some descriptions and something loading, but this table is not suitable for me because I will need only the titles and images. And in order to do that, I can go to add table using examples. And here I have like the preview of the page, and as I said, I can choose the film title or just film, and picture. And I have to start writing the names of the films. And here I have Star Wars, a Star Wars story. Going back to this page, grabbing the URL of this image, pasting it here, and that's it. I have all these suggestions and they are all correct ones. I can press OK. Now I have the custom table here, which I just generated, and by pressing transform data I can see if everything is correct and as I wanted. Okay, yeah, so here I can run in the table. For example, this one. And again, I need a little bit tidying up. And what I mean by that, if I copy this URL, go to the browser, paste it, I will get only this cropped picture. But as I showed you before, I have like a whole poster here. And in order to get the whole poster, I just need to remove this part from the URL. And voila, I have the full picture here. So to do that, I just need to get rid of everything what is after question mark. I can use transform, no, not transform, but split column by the limiter function. And now I will have to write here question mark and get rid everything after it. So now I will have two columns, one with everything before the question mark and another one with question mark and everything after it. And since I have only one question mark, I don't need to think about this option. So press OK. And here I have, as I said, this unnecessary column, which I can remove. And here, all these nice pictures and URLs. I can rename it, put it as a picture, and that's it. So now I have to clean all these other tables in order to see some data. For example, I'll go here, you can see that all these columns do not have the names of it. And before doing that, I would like to invite you to subscribe to my channel if you would like to see some other videos, and press the notification button if you want to be notified when I will release the new video. And going back here again, I can clean the data very easily with few steps. For example, now I have to use the option use first row as header. And now get rid of unnecessary column. And again, I would like to see all the titles and nominations, for example, in one column or few columns. And to do that, I can select the film column and go to the unpivot columns option. Yeah, so unpivot other columns, and here I have the film attributes. So for me it will be the nomination, and value, is it one nominated or so on. But I won't need these like in square brackets. Again, I can choose the split function here. Yeah, custom again showed me the right one already. Yeah, everything seems okay. I can remove this one, rename it to value, and leave only the ones which were nominated on nomination. Okay. And now I have the beautiful table which I can use here. I need to repeat all these steps again for this Academy Awards table. Then we can go to the critical and public responses. Here I will need only for Rotten Tomatoes, so I can use this one again very quickly. Remove this. Use for stroke, this header. I have to remove few rows here because I need only the title and the score, so I can do it by does not equal. Again, this one and this one. Now I want to have the percentage in one column and the number of reviews in another one. So again, I can split by delimiter, and this time I will choose space. Yeah. So I have the correct Rotten Tomatoes score. Now here I have the reviews. I need to get rid of this parenthesis, so I'll have to use replace values and replace it with nothing, and it will just disappear. And again, this one is unnecessary. Okay, then I have the same stuff with box office performance. Now I have again to use first row, and here I have few films like these two, and I have to get rid of those, and I want to see if I have the 11 titles total, so does not equal. And I have all the necessary data except this one. I won't need that one too. And here I have 11 titles. This table has 2, so it will be 11 total, and I need to merge that one or to append queries, and I can append this new. So I will have everything what is in this Skywalker Saga table, and underneath it I have the anthology film table values. Press it OK, and you will see that everything here will be in the same spot. Of course, I can get rid of these tables. Not tables but columns. So here you can see that I have here the directors, so I can change the name on that one column, because as you saw, this append queries function does everything according to the column name. So now here I have everything what I wanted. Of course, I need to get rid of these, so I have to choose that one on this one. And again, I will have the split column function. Okay, if I do that. So here Power BI shows itself how to do everything here. And for me, the most useful date format is this one. So I just get rid of these columns. And now I have to get rid of parentheses. So again, replace values. replace it with nothing, and to repeat for another person. And after all this cleaning, I can press close and apply. And after the data will be loaded, I will see everything what I have here, and if some changes again needs to be done. Okay, so now when data is loaded, we can see, for example, how pictures would look like. So grabbing all the data here, here you have all the pictures, but for you it will show the URL, and you have to press on the picture and go to data category and choose image URL. Now we can go here and see, for example, that for Star Wars Last Jedi we have some cropped picture there, and to have the full picture we have to go again to the Star Wars page and go to the Last Jedi film. Just grab the URL for it, go again there to the query editor. We can go through there, edit query, and here we have to find the Last Jedi URL and replace the values with the image we just grabbed from the starwars.com. Load it again, everything, and we will see if this picture will change here. Yep, and here it is. So thank you for watching, and if you tried this or have any questions, please contact me in the comments below. And if you would like to see more videos, please subscribe, and see you the next time.